Dog owners love to spoil their dogs in every way possible. Whether it's toys, treats, or a trip to the dog park, people will do whatever it takes to make their furry friends happy. Fortunately, the best icing for dog treats that Hardens recipe is simple to make and is the perfect way to spoil your pooch. Dog-friendly icing is a great way to decorate your dog's treats, whether it is for their birthday, a holiday, or just because you love them. It is easy to make and will harden after applying, making it great for decorating designs or writing. Icing for dog treats, dog-safe ingredients. When making your dog treats, it is important to make sure all the ingredients you are using are dog-safe. People eat many foods that are not safe for dogs to eat. Be certain the recipe you are using to make dog treats uses only dog-friendly ingredients. Some of the most common foods people eat that dogs shouldn't eat include chocolate, avocado, grapes or grape juice, garlic, onions, yeast, coconut, citrus, cooked bones, fat trimmings, and xylitol. Though it is safe to feed your dog with peanut butter, make sure that it does not contain xylitol. Xylitol is an artificial sweetener that is safe for humans, but can be deadly for dogs. In addition to being found in peanut butter, it can also be found in ice cream, cereals, baked goods, yogurts, and puddings. Though dairy products can be okay for dogs to eat, they should be given in moderation. Too much dairy can cause a dog to have an upset stomach. If you are making your dog treats, look for recipes that contain ingredients such as peanut butter, pumpkin, bananas, eggs, carrots, chicken, and rice. All of these ingredients are safe for your dog and can provide health benefits, plus your dog will love how they taste. What you will need to make icing for dog treats. To make this dog-friendly icing recipe that hardens, you will need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of water, 1 teaspoon of honey, food coloring. Icing for dog treats, step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Add cornstarch, water and honey to the bowl. Add the cornstarch to the bowl. Substitute with rice or potato flour if desired. Add water to the cornstarch, mix it together, then add the honey. Step 2. Mix the ingredients. Thoroughly combine the mix with a whisk and add more water if needed. The icing will likely seem a bit thin at first, but it will harden. Step 3. Add food coloring. Add food coloring to the icing if desired. Add the icing to separate bowls and add different colors, mixing thoroughly. Be sure the food coloring you use is dog-friendly. This icing will harden, making it great to decorate your dog's favorite biscuits. Adding some food coloring will allow you to make adorable different decorations for your pooch. Try these icings with homemade blueberry dog treats recipe or this easy no-bake dog cake recipe. Tips and tricks. If your dog has a sensitive stomach, you can use rice or potato flour as an alternative to cornstarch. If you do use rice or potato flour, you may need to add slightly more than 2 tablespoons to achieve the right consistency in the icing. Since this icing does harden, make sure to decorate your dog biscuits right after completing the icing. If the icing begins to harden, you can put it in the microwave for 10 to 15 second intervals or add a few drops of warm water. For best results, iced dog treats should be stored in the fridge in an airtight container for up to a week. You can store any leftover icing in the fridge for up to a week and microwave or add warm water to bring it back to a liquid texture. If you want to use natural ingredients for food coloring, you can use strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, turmeric, spinach, and cherries. These foods are all safe for dogs to eat and can provide beautiful natural colors. Using natural ingredients for food coloring is also a great option for people as well, so you can use natural food coloring you make for your dogs for your recipes too. When decorating treats with this icing, it is easiest to use a pastry brush. However, you may also use a spatula or piping bag. If you make your dog treats, allow them to fully cool before icing them, otherwise, the icing may melt. When feeding your dog ice treats, make sure to not overfeed them. Though all the ingredients in this icing recipe are dog safe, too many treats can cause an upset stomach and weight gain. When feeding treats, you shouldn't give your dog more than 10% of homemade treats for their daily calorie intake. It is always a good idea to consult with your vet before giving your dog special treats. Some dogs may have diet restrictions that prevent them from being able to eat certain ingredients found in dog treats. Some dogs are also more prone to weight gain and need stricter moderation when it comes to getting treats. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.